Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm sharing information on an upcoming class. Now I know some of you think you know how to weave because you've been doing it for a long time, but hold on. Is it taking you a long time to do it? Does your client come back with loose tracks, or is their hair still flowing like this? Are you not sure which braid pattern to use? Are your clients losing hair? Well, if you answered yes or no to any of these questions and can get to the Queens, New York area on October 15th, then you should take this class. Your educator will be the talented Chantal Ordain, also known as Madam C. She specializes in hair weaving and by far is one of the best. In this class, you will learn technique, the fastest braid pattern, how to properly stitch, how to prevent hairline loss, the best products to use while wearing your weave, the pros and cons of a hairnet, and so much more. This is an up close and personal watch and learn, so get your notepads. Questions may be asked during the entire class. This class is great for stylists who need to sharpen their skill. Each one teach one. College students looking to save or earn money during college, or beginners looking to start a new career. This is an investment in yourself. You don't want to miss it. Tickets are being sold on Eventbrite right now. The link is in the description. So be sure to share this video with your friends or family or someone who wants to learn how to do hair. And thank you for watching.